Guys, so today we're going to be doing one of our coffee filter crafts, and we're going to make rainbows because they are a symbol of hope, which we could all use a little bit more of during these crazy times. So you're just going to start off with a coffee filter. It doesn't matter what size, and you just want to go ahead and flatten it out as much as you can. And then you're just going to fold it in half, and then fold it in half again, and then one more time. So now you've got a little like pizza piece coffee filter. So first we're going to do a regular rainbow color in order. That means violet at the bottom, so that's the tip. We're going to bring it up just a little because we don't really have indigo, and indigo goes between blue and violet. And so all you do for that is start the blue in the violet and then bring the blue up. Also, we are just using basic watercolors. And I'm wetting my brush each time before I dip it again to make sure the colors really saturate through the coffee filter. I'm just going to go touch up this purple over the blue right there. After blue is green. And again, you just really want it saturated with water to make sure everything's soaking all the way through. After green is yellow. I always leave a little extra room to do a thicker layer of yellow because it's so easily empowered by the other colors. After yellow is orange. You can let that orange bleed down into the yellow a little bit. And after orange is red. When you get to the ends up here, you can see it's only gone through some of the layers. So I'm going to go ahead and give everything like another nice soaking. Just work from the top down. And you can even like get in on the edges with this red. The reason we fold it the way we do before we start this is so then you've got your even amount of colors all the way around. Make sure that if you're doing this on a surface that you don't want to get dirty, that you've got paper towel or plate or something underneath. Okay, now that we've done one side, we're just going to go ahead and touch up the back side so to make sure that it's gone through. As you can see, most of it has come through. Again, that just comes with really saturating your brush in the water. So we're just going to touch up a couple of spots, so those should be red. Should be orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Indigo and purple. Move the watercolors out of the way. And then to let it dry, you actually do want to unfold it while it's wet. It's a little trickier to do so, but it will allow it to dry faster and to keep the colors from bleeding into each other as much. And you don't want to force it, so I got a little pocket here, so I'm just going to work with the pocket to do it. Alright, it's 15 minutes. Our rainbow is now nice and dry. It dried unfolded. I'm just going to go ahead and fold it all the way back up one more time. I'm going to take some scissors and I'm just going to roundly, the best that I can, kind of cut off the tip there. And see how you have the makings of a little rainbow arc. It's a very baby arc, but it's because I didn't want to cut off too much purple. And then while it's still folded in half like this, you can make that cut so much easier right along the fold. And now you have two little rainbows you can hang up somewhere in your house. You can make that cut bigger. You'll just, if you want to, just maybe put more purple in next time. Make each layer a little thinner. I also did a reverse rainbow. So where we just started with red and worked our way out. So that's red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo kind of mixed in with the blue and purple there, and then purple, violet. Again, you can cut this if you fold it all back up. This one will make a slightly bigger cut just so you can see what that looks like, because the red really spread itself nicely on these. Some colors are just more overpowering than others. Oh, how'd that happen? Do this. Clearly I folded this one differently. Okay. There we go. We got a little bit more of an arch at the bottom. Can cut right along the fold. And now you have even more rainbows. You don't have to hang them all. You can send them if you know people out on the front line. Yeah, you could do whatever you'd like with them. And they're super simple. And like I said, they dry super quickly. So now we've got one of each. All right, thanks so much. We'll catch you next time on our watercolor filters.